The challenge we've been doing today is going to be called SansAlpha. So with this challenge, it's a bit more different. It says the multiverse is within your grasp. Unfortunately, the server that contains the secrets of the multiverse is not a universe where keyboards only have numbers and most symbols. And it gives us an SSH instance to log in along with the password. So with this challenge, like you see, like I was doing here beforehand, I basically used question marks and basically back / slashes. So the secret to this challenge was basically, oh, connection refused. Maybe I need to copy it right here. This might be an updated one. So basically for this challenge, if we try SSHing and then we put yes, and then after that we have to put in the password, and if we try regular, I guess regular Linux commands, so say ls cat, we get characters undetected. So what can we do from here? And that's where this whole, I guess, part of this challenge comes in. So what's this in Linux? You can just copy that in Linux. Oh, let's see, in Linux, and then you just put this. So in Linux, this allows you to I guess name file path, but with the question mark, what does it allow us to do? What does the question mark do? So it's basically acts as a wildcard looking for anything that matches within that value. So it's a single character wildcard. So it's basically kind of like saying that it only looks for a specific character. So right here it says file .txt. It's gonna find file 1.txt or file, well, I guess, yeah, file 1 or file 2, depending on what it is. So what we did right here was basically brute force our way to the location of the flag. So what I did, I guess the thought logic was basically start off from right here until we reach, I guess, characters. But what you could do to shorten this up is basically look up Linux directories structure. And Linux directory structure gives you an idea where the flag might be located. And most of the time for these type of challenges, a flag will be located in the home directory. So home contains all the personal directories for all non-root users. So basically home and then the username of the person. So that's basically what I did. So I started off with 1, 2, 3, spell out home, which is 4 characters, and after that we just started searching for a user. In this case, we kept getting all these random values, and I think it took us a while just to get that specific character that we wanted. And it kept going to, I guess, this for a while. And you just gotta brute force yourself. And then we found a CTF player. So from right here, we want to look for anything within here, which is gonna take a while. So just keep on doing that. Question mark. Oh, question mark. Keep on searching for files that you wish to find. No such file. Oh wait, blarg is a directory. Oh, I completely missed it. So we just copy this right here. And then we just go like that. And keep on searching for, I guess, something that matches what we want. And eventually we'll find something. And we got it right here, flag.txt. So the next thing you want to be able to do is basically look for what files or what commands could we use within this challenge. So the next thing I decided to do was basically look up where things are located. So bin will contain, I guess, essential useful binaries such as ls, cp, and mb. So basically Linux commands that we could use. So that's why, as you can see here, I was trying to, I guess, on top right here, I was using basically this right here. And you could try guessing what I tried doing right here at the beginning. So we copy this right here and paste it right here. I basically tried calling bin and then base64. So why bin base64 is because when I was doing this challenge, I wasn't able to run cat. But with bin base64, it's basically what I'm doing is running the base64 command on a file, which is basically gonna get the output of the file is used to encode and decode I guess values in base64. But what I'm basically gonna do is replace the content of the file with base64, and then from here I could decode the content back out as I could get the original content. So it's basically a way for me to see the content of the file without actually running the cat command. So what I did was do base64 and then the path of the file, and as you can see right here, that did not work. It said it tried running base x86 64, and I'm assuming because it caught this instead. So we want to be able to ignore the fourth character right here. It says 1 2 3 4 with a underscore. So we could do that simply by going to deleting the fourth character right here, and basically doing an exclusion by putting it around brackets and saying and putting not hyphen. So with this, we're able to basically run the base64 command, and we get it right here. So now what we could simply do now is go on our base64 decoder, an online decoder, and then put that value right there, and then get the flag PicoCTF and then all these values right here. So you can basically just submit this for this challenge, and that should solve this problem, and it did. So yeah, so pretty cool challenge. I guess the thing that I was surprised about is the whole like single character wildcard. I've never learned about this until I guess started doing this challenge. It says right here it's called shell wildcard gobbling. What it's just matching, so it's basically brute forcing our way to the solution. But pretty cool. I'm pretty sure that was the whole point of this challenge. But yeah, hope you guys learned something new today. I know I did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.